Hi, my name is Sue and today I'm going to be talking to you about New York Beauty. New York Beauty is a traditional block and the characteristic of it is that it comprises little spines which come up, spokey bits I call them, which are part of the block. It's a very attractive block and it's based on the helmet or the crown of the Statue of Liberty and emerged in the 1920s. So it has that slightly Art Deco feel about it, which I particularly like. On this particular sample, I can't remember how I did this. I suspect that I did it with blind hemming, and then I added some embroidery stitches on top just to make it stronger. This is a cushion, and also it's the block that is in the quilt behind us.